30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 7. Stop memorizing grammar rules. Want to know why many people study grammar for years but still struggle to speak English? Let's fix that today. Welcome back to the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Today, we're talking about something that surprises many English learners. Grammar is important. But memorizing grammar rules all day is not the fastest way to become fluent. Think about this. Did you learn your first language by studying grammar books? Probably not. You learned by listening, repeating, speaking, and making mistakes. Then, little by little, the grammar became natural. English works the same way. Many learners know grammar rules like present simple, past simple, present perfect. But when someone asks a simple question, they freeze. Why? Because knowing a rule and using a rule are two different things. Imagine learning how to ride a bicycle. You could read 10 books about bicycles. You could memorize every rule. But until you actually ride one, you won't become a cyclist. Speaking English is similar. You become fluent by using English, not by only studying it. Now, don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying grammar is useless. Grammar is important. It helps us communicate clearly. But instead of trying to memorize hundreds of rules, focus on learning grammar through real sentences. For example, I like coffee. I like music. I like English. Without realizing it, you're practicing grammar. You're learning sentence structure naturally. Now let's try another pattern. I went to school. I went to work. I went to the store. Notice what happened. You practiced the past tense 3 times. No complicated explanation. Just real English. This is how many fluent speakers improve. They hear patterns. They repeat patterns. They use patterns. And eventually those patterns become automatic. Let's do a quick activity. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Good. Now change one word. I am learning Spanish. Again. I am learning online. Excellent. You just practiced grammar naturally. And you probably didn't even think about grammar rules. That's the secret. Fluent speakers don't usually stop and think. Should I use the present continuous tense here? They simply use it because they've heard it and practiced it many times. This is called pattern recognition. Your brain learns language through repetition. The more useful sentences you hear and speak, the more natural grammar becomes. Here's another example. Instead of memorizing a long rule about future tense, practice these. I will call you later. I will study tonight. I will practice English tomorrow. Simple. Useful. Natural. The goal is not to become a grammar expert. The goal is to become a competent communicator. So the next time you study English, spend less time memorizing rules and more time using sentences. Read them. Repeat them. Speak them. Use them in real conversations. That's where fluency grows. Remember, grammar should support your speaking. It should not stop your speaking. Many learners wait until their grammar is perfect before they start talking. But fluency doesn't come from waiting. It comes from practicing. Every sentence you speak trains your brain. Every conversation builds confidence. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. So don't be afraid to speak. Use simple sentences. Repeat useful patterns. Trust the learning process. Over time, grammar will become more natural. And speaking English will become easier. Day 7 Challenge. Today, choose 3 sentence patterns. I like. I am. I will. Create 5 different sentences with each pattern. That's 15 sentences. Speak them out loud several times. Focus on speaking naturally. Not perfectly. Remember, don't just study English. Use English. The more you speak, the more natural grammar becomes. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And I'll see you in day 8 of the 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Like the video, subscribe, and comment. I learn grammar by speaking.